Dear students, once again I, Mr. Vishal Shah, Assistant Professor, Krishna Institute of Pharmacy, Karad, welcome you all to this yet another session on the aromatic acids. In previous session, we have started with these few chemical reactions that are shown by aromatic acids. In that video, we have discussed that the reactions of aromatic acids can be divided into two parts. One, the reactions that are due to the presence of the carboxylic acid functional group, and second one, the reactions that are given positive due to the presence of benzene ring. We have finished with the various chemical reactions that are due to the presence of the carboxylic acid functional group. Now we are going to start with the certain chemical reactions that are given positive due to the presence of the benzene ring. Now we know due to the presence of the benzene ring, aromatic acids gives electrophilic substitution reaction. We have seen that the why aromatic acids gives electrophilic substitution reactions positive. We have also seen why carboxylic acid functional group is acting as a meta director and it is deactivating. So let's discuss the different electrophilic substitution reactions that are given positive by these aromatic acids. So let's begin with our today's session. But before that, just we will discuss what are the learning outcomes of this session. After this session, the learners will be able to explain the electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic acids with respect to the benzene ring. Also, we are going to compare the effect of substitution on the acidity of the aromatic acids. So, just we will start the different electrophilic substitution reactions that are given positive by aromatic acids. Now, first chemical reaction that is shown by aromatic acids is nitration, where we know that nitration means nothing but the addition of the nitronium ion, or that is also known as the nitro group. This nitration of benzoic acid is carried out by using mixture of concentrated nitric acid as well as the sulfuric acid, commonly which is known as the fuming nitric acid. And when the benzoic acid undergo the nitration, it will be converted into the meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Now this is very important. Nitration of benzoic acid gives you a meta-nitrobenzoic acid, means we are getting the meta-substituted product. For this also we have seen what is the reason behind formation of meta-nitrobenzoic acid, because we know that carboxylic acid functional group is acting as the meta director, and due to which there will be formation of M-nitrobenzene, benzoic acid will takes place. Also, that concentrated sulfuric acid increases the rate of reaction by increasing the concentration of electrophile and the nitronium ion. So here you can see this chemical reaction of the benzoic acid, where when we are going to carry out the nitration by using the concentrated nitric acid, as well as we are going to use over here concentrated sulfuric acid, which leads into the formation of the M-nitrobenzoic acid. Now here this nitro group is attacking at the meta position, and the reason behind this is this carboxylic acid functional group is deactivating, as well as it is having the meta directing effect. Now we will see what is the mechanism involved in this particular nitration reaction. Also in that we will focus about the why there is a formation of the meta-nitrobenzoic acid or meta-substituted product will takes place when we are going to perform the reaction of the benzoic acid. Now as we know, in case of the electrophilic substitution reaction, the mechanism that is involved is having 3 different steps. First step includes the formation of electrophile. In this case, the nitric acid accepts one proton from more stronger acid, sulfuric acid, and due to which there will be formation of the protonated nitric acid, and this protonated nitric acid undergo the dissociation to give the nitronium ion. These nitronium ions are acting as a electrophile. So here this HNO3 will be converted into the nitronium ion. So this is the first step where there will be formation of this nitronium ion will takes place. Then second step involves the attack of electrophile on the aromatic ring, where here electrophile, that is the nitronium ion, attacks on the benzene ring to form the resonance stabilized carbonium ion. Now here you can look at that these nitronium ions are attached at the meta position, because we know that this carboxylic acid functional group, which is having a carbon double bond and carbon double bond with the oxygen and hydroxyl group. So this oxygen atom will withdraw the electrons from this carbon atom. That's why this carbon atom becomes electron deficient, and hence it will withdraw the electrons that are present on the benzene ring, and due to which this benzene ring becomes the electron deficient. And we know that when we have observed the resonating structures, we have seen a positive charge is placed at the ortho position as well as the para position, and here these nitronium ions are having a positive charge, and due to which positive charge is not attracted towards the positive charge, and hence as meta positions are relatively having negative charge, and that's why there will be formation of the resonance stabilized structure will take place, in which the nitronium ions are attracted towards the meta position, and here there will be formation of carbonium ion will takes place. So this is about the step second. Last step involves the loss of proton, which leads into the formation of the nitrobenzene. So the carbonium ion then loses a proton, which leads into the formation of the nitrobenzene. Here you can see this proton will combine with the HSO4 minus, which leads to the formation of the H2SO4, that is the sulfuric acid is generated, and there will be formation of M nitrobenzoic acid will takes place. Also, as this carboxylic acid functional group is deactivating, hence we have to perform this particular reaction under the presence of the fuming nitric acids. So this is about the first chemical reaction, that is the electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration. Then here you have to perform one exercise. You have to go to this particular website, desmos.com, and you can use your given passcode to give the answers for the different question. Also, then next reaction that is shown positive by aromatic acids is halogenation. Here we are going to perform the chlorination reaction. Now chlorination of benzoic acid is carried out in presence of a catalyst such as ferric chloride. FeCl3 is used as a catalyst to increase the rate of reaction, as carboxylic acid functional group that is present in the benzoic acid is deactivating. Benzoic acid reacts with the halogen, say for example chlorine, to form the halogenated molecule such as M-chlorobenzoic acid. In this case also there will be formation of the meta substituted product will takes place. Now a chlorine atom that is attached to the ring at the meta position relative to the carboxylic group. You can observe this with the help of this reaction, where you can see benzoic acid on chlorination in presence of ferric chloride, it will be converted into the M-chlorobenzoic acid. Now if you observe the position of this chlorine group, it is meta with respect to this carboxylic acid functional group. because we know, as we have discussed, that this carboxylic acid functional group is acting as the meta director, and that's why incoming electrophile will be migrated towards the meta position. So this is about the second chemical reaction, that is the belonging to the electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the halogenation. Now last chemical reaction that is shown positive by aromatic acids is sulfonation. Now here we are going to carry out the reaction between the benzoic acid and the fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid is nothing but the mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid along with the sulfur trioxide. Here, when the reaction of benzoic acid is carried out with fuming sulfuric acid, this leads into the sulfonation of the aromatic ring, in which functional group SO3H is replaces a hydrogen atom that is present on the aromatic ring. Due to the sulfonation of benzoic acid, there will be formation of M-sulfobenzoic acid will takes place. You can observe that chemical reaction where in this case benzoic acid, when it is reacted with sulfuric acid in presence of the sulfur trioxide, it leads into the formation of M-sulfobenzoic acid. In this case also, the incoming electrophile is migrated towards the meta position. So we have seen that why carboxylic acid functional group is acting as a meta director, as well as why it is acting as a deactivator. So that if we compare the reactivity of benzene and the benzoic acid undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions very slowly due to the presence of carboxylic acid functional group, and that's why it does not give the reactions a positive like Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as the acylation. So these are the various chemical reactions that are shown positive by the aromatic acids. So the reactions that are positive due to the presence of the benzene ring are nitration, sulfonation, as well as the halogenation, that is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now the next point that we are going to discuss is the effect of substitution on the benzoic acid. Now in case of phenol as well as the aromatic amines, we have seen that what is the effect of substitution on these particular compounds. Means if we place electron withdrawing group or the electron donating group, what is the effect on the acidity of the phenol as well as the basicity of aromatic amines. Here also we are going to discuss what is the effect of substitution, that is the electron withdrawing or the electron donating on the benzoic acid. Here we know that the negative charge is present on the carboxylate ion, that can be seen by considering the example of this carboxylate ion. Here you can see this benzoic acid, when undergo the dissociation, it will be converted with carboxylate ion and the hydrogen. Here this oxygen atom bears a negative charge. So this negative charge of the carboxylate ion is shared by these two carboxylate oxygen atoms, and so that it will not be delocalized on the aromatic ring. For example, here you can see this oxygen, as it is having this negative charge, it will be migrated toward this carbon atom, due to which this carbon atom breaks a bond with this oxygen atom, that is the pi bond, and a negative charge is migrated toward the oxygen atom. Further, from this oxygen atom, again if this charge is migrated towards the carbon atom, again this carbon will break this particular bond. Means in this case the negative charge is bared by the oxygen only, and it is not migrated toward this benzene ring. And this is because oxygen of carboxylate ion is not directly adjacent to the aromatic ring. So we can draw resonating structures. These two only resonating structures are there, and due to which the aromatic ring does not show any effect, and that's why electron donating and withdrawing groups have very little effect on the acidity of the aromatic acid. So this is all about the aromatic